Today I'm making a quick video talking about replacing inner tie rods and the inner tie rod boot. I see this a lot, and that's why I'm making this video talking about this. A lot of times the inner clamps, when these are replaced, are either not installed or they're zip tied into place. You see that very often too, when the zip ties will just fail over time, or they don't apply enough force right away and they'll just pop off. And then it's not good for the steering rack because that's actually a piston and a bore, and there's a seal in there, and that's not supposed to get dirt in there. The dirt is, it damages your piston, it damages that chromed, that cylinder, the liner, the seal, everything, and then your rack will likely start leaking soon afterwards. So the boot needs to stay on there. It's very important that you use the correct clamps. If you see that these are damaged, it's a good idea to replace them. This is on a Porsche 997. It's an expensive car, so and the parts are expensive. The rack is very expensive. These boots are not too bad, and if you don't put them on correctly, you will have a problem in the future. So sometimes zip ties get installed and stuff like that because you can't find the right tool to get in there and clamp the new clamp to crimp it. They have these sneaky low profile ones that you can stick in this way through this opening, and you can crimp them like this. And these work great for this style of clamps. So if I can find something like this, I'll put a link in the description. These are if you can get straight on it and you can crimp it this way, which work really well too. Always replace them with new clamps. And yeah, it's very important. So just making a video talking about that. I've seen steering racks damaged, these things hanging off, the bushings worn out, and fluid everywhere, and a lot of damage caused from the simplest little job. So thanks for watching.